Hi guys, I'm Ashton Alviga and you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
Hi there, Gen Mix. It's VJ Ella, and today we are here with the nation's mutya, Ashtin Alviga.
Hello! Nice to see you again.
Yes, you. So welcome back to Mix. How are you feeling naman today? You just launched your single, and nandyan lahat ng closest friends mo sa labas to support you.
I'm very, very happy and overwhelmed sa love na binigay sa akin ng mga friends ko. Actually, kinabahan ako kasi ang hirap mag-invite. Hindi mo sure kung may pupunta or wala. Pero thankfully, dumating sila and ang dami nila. Kaya thank you so much and sana nagustuhan din nila yung performance ko kanina.
Yes, of course we did. We really did. Oo, especially siguro yung mga live stream fans natin dyan kanina na nanonood. Super happy sila to be here in this incredible moment. So, let's talk more about Love Like You. So, this is your first single ngayon that you released. So, how did you feel when you first heard the final version?
Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Alam mo yung parang masasabi ko na, wow, akin to.
Ah,
Ganon feeling. Ganon yung na-feel ko. And kahit nung napakinggan ko pa lang yung demo, gusto ko na talaga yung kanta kasi sobrang catchy. And this is composed and produced by Sir Tyro Alfaro, kaya sobrang hands down talaga.
Yes, talagang the master. Ang dami kong na-interview din ng artists na composed by Sir Tyro. So talagang walang palya, ang gaganda ng mga music. Pero ikaw, like personally for you, since you said nga kanina na ako to, ano yung mga parang naging indications that it says a lot about you, yung song na yon?
Siguro, sa akin kasi, may personality kasi ako na parang ina-appreciate ko yung mga taong nagmamahal sa akin. And yun yung message ng kanta na you have to see, you have to appreciate yung mga taong nagmamahal na nasa paligid mo lang pala.
Yes, actually it's about the love that's been there all
Yes, na you
along.
weren't aware kasi you're so busy looking it for somewhere else.
Ay, ganon. Dahil dyan, ang aking next magical question ay, is this from a personal experience of yours?
Hindi, kasi hindi man ako yung nagsulat nito eh, di ba?
Hindi, syempre baka may creative touch ka dyan.
Wala, kumanta lang ako.
Sige. Yes, okay. Okay, bye. Sige, let's talk more about your collaboration with Sir Tyro. So, what did you learn from collaborating with him? Kasi talagang hasana din siya, marami na rin siya na-produce and compose na songs. So, what are the lessons that you got from him?
Siguro, na-learn ko sa kanya is kapag magre-recording kayo, kailangan prepared ka. Kailangan meron kang yung mindset mo kailangan like naniniwala ka talaga sa sarili mo kasi di ba before recording kapag nasa girl group ako inaaral namin lahat yung mga adlibs yung mga kailangan pero sa kanya on the spot niya tinuturo so nakaka-pressure so yun yung na-learn ko na kailangan talaga like prepared ka kapag kikitain mo si Sir Tyro.
Yes, be flexible
Yes,
talaga.
be flexible.
Oh, okay. So yun nga, fans primarily know you right now as an actress. So maybe some nakasama mo pa nung girl group era mo. Pero for you, how different is it na expressing your emotions through acting versus through singing?
Actually, na-realize ko, wala masyadong difference kasi sa acting and singing, ibibigay mo talaga yung heart mo. Parang yung may piece ka ng heart mo na ibibigay doon. Na kahit, halimbawa for the song or for sa mga eksena, kahit malayo sa pinagdadaanan mo sa totoong buhay, meron kang parte doon.
Yes, oo. And of course, you're sharing like a different version of yourself, a different side of yourself. But for Love Like You, sinong version ni Ashtin yung nakikita namin?
Siguro yung lover girl era version niya.
Also, you're in your lover girl era.
Yes, kay Jesus ako.
I love that answer. That's so safe. That's so showbiz. But also very true as well. Oo, kasi
Yes.
nakita ko yung pinned post mo on Instagram.
Kay Jesus.
Yes, I love your talaga, how very spiritual you are. Kaya you're very blessed din right now.
I'm sure you blessed ka din.
Basbasan mo nga ako.
Hindi,
Sabi
blessed
ganun,
ka
basbasan
din.
mo nga rin
Blessed
ako,
ka
girl.
din.
But yes, congratulations on
Thank
your
you.
single as well. And of course, yung debut single na to, masusundan na ba to ng EP or ng album very soon?
Sana.
Mm-hmm.
Pero, wag ko na nga sabihin, baka ma-jinx na naman eh. Pero hindi, like, nagtatry akong mag-write ng own songs ko.
Right now.
Yes.
So these are from personal experiences then or just some things na you were inspired by?
Inspired by.
Huh? Ang gaslaw na tong interview na to. Pero sige, oo. Naabangan namin yung
Yes.
album mo that is inspired by many
Yes.
things. So we can't wait for that. And of course, we can't wait for your concert as well that you announced tonight.
This year na po yan,
Congratulations.
kaya sana abangan niyo po.
Yes, definitely aabangan namin yan. Asahan mong nandun
Sana
din kami.
makita kita doon.
Girl, yes. Kahit wala akong ticket, I'll be there. Sinasabi ko sa inyong lahat, I'll be there. Pero syempre, we will wait for further details on your socials as well.
Yes.
Pero are you excited?
Super! Like, nag-isip na ako ng songs eh.
I'm so excited that as well. Feeling ko, aside from your self-titled album, meron kang mga pasabog dyan.
Let's see, let's see.
Yes, okay, we'll definitely see that. Okay, now that we got to introduce your new music to our Gen Mix, ngayon we'll play a very, very short game lang. I just have...
Ayan na naman tayo
Yes.
sa game na to.
Pero ito, hindi ka na namin papagurin. Katulad nung sa Mix Now.
Eh, ano to?
Oo, hindi na wala na tayong ganon. Sasagot lang tayo dito.
Okay.
So, meron na kaming two options. Hihintayin or ile-let go. Yun lang. And then we'll give you prompts or questions and you just have to answer kung hihintayin mo ba or ile-let go.
Okay. Akala ko ngayon ko nasasagutin eh.
Ay, wala pa nga ako
pa.
sinasabi. Okay, sige. For the first one, you're lining up for your favorite fast food, pero malapit na ang call time or pull out mo for shoot. Hihintayin or ile-let go?
Ile-let go.
Really?
Kasi ayoko malate.
Very good. Work ethic din talaga.
Tama. Kasi you have to respect yung time ng mga kasama mo.
Exactly. Tama. Oh, perfect. And may food sa shoot.
Ah, tipid pa.
Yun na lang din yung mindset ko. Okay, you're in a situation where connection is once in a lifetime, but the other person isn't ready. Hihintayin or ile-let go?
Wasn't ready for what?
Connection. For a connection.
Like, talking,
Relationship.
ganon.
Or, yeah.
Depende kasi sa sitwasyon. Parang, if hindi sure, i-let go na lang. Diba? Kasi ang hirap maghintay sa hindi sigurado.
Ganun guys, i-quote natin yun, i-clip natin yun for TikTok and we will spread that link. Mahirap maghintay sa hindi sigurado. Amen. Okay, next one. Meron kang big break na paparating, pero meron ding stable income na nagpapakilala sa'yo ngayon, pero sabay silang dumating. What will you choose? Or hihintayin mo ba or let go mo si Dream?
Like yung dream ko na, yung nandito, yung stable
Break.
income.
Big break, iba si big break kay stable income, pero sabay silang dumating. So, hihintayin mo pa ba yung big break or go ka na kay stable income?
I think hintayin ko yung big break. Ila-let go ko yung like stable income.
Ay.
Kasi kung gusto mong, like malay mo, mas may gusto ka pa palang i-achieve. And mas mahirap na may pagsisisihan sa huli na, di ko to na-try, paano kung tinry ko?
She's a risk taker, she's a dreamer, she is very passionate. At ito na, ang big break na hinihintay natin very soon sa kanyang concert. Okay, last one. Hihintayin, i-release lahat ng episodes or let go and watch it now. Maghintay na lang ng next episode next week.
Let go and watch it now.
Really? Gusto mo yung aantay next week, aabangan mo ulit yung next episode?
Dati kasi, gusto kong hinihintay lahat. Gusto kong matapos muna lahat ng episodes. Pero kasi ngayon, ang dami na kasing clips sa social media. So parang somehow, napapanood ko na din siya ng buo. Tapos parang nawawalan na ako ng gana panoodin mismo yung, yung series. Kaya sabi ko, watch ko na to para Diba?
Para abangan mo na lang next week kasi ang daming spoiler.
Oo, kasi pag nakikita ko sa social media, parang wala na, napanood ko na din. Pero hindi buo. Pero parang alam ko na yung ending. Parang ganun.
Kasi may narrator pa yun sa social
Oo.
media.
May part 1, part 2, part 3.
Oo, at least doon mabilis na. Hindi na 12 episodes, hindi na 24 episodes. Okay. At dahil dyan, doon nagtatapos ang ating mini activity. Thank you so much, Ashton,
Thank you
for
din.
inviting us here and for being so game.
Thank you for being here.
The Nation's Mutia, Ashtin Alviga!
And grabe, kinabahan na ako. Kinakabahan ako, pero ito po yung first time nakaka-take ko po yung Love Like You. Kaya, sana magustuhan niyo. Kaya sobrang na-appreciate ko. I feel so loved dahil sa presence ko yun. Hi guys, this is Ashton Alvigan. I'm inviting you to stream Love Like You out now in all digital music platforms. Thank you so much po!
Once again, the Nation's Mutya right here. We'll see you guys again next time.